Alright, oil pan on a freaking 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 5.7. You see it's leaking everywhere. What I ended up doing was, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's not hard at all. Just disconnect the power steering pressure hose from the subframe. Separate the upper ball joint to control arm from the spindle. Separate the steering gear shaft. Make sure the steering wheel does not turn. Where is it? He's right there. Separate that from that. Separate the drive shaft from the front diff. Obviously you want to take your brake calipers off, hang those out of the way with the ABS lines. Same thing over here with the ABS lines. What else did I do? Just small things like remove the heat shield from right here. Remove the heat shield from right here. That way you can gain access to these bolts. And and most importantly, you gotta come up with a way to support the motor up there. You know what I mean? That's just a Harbor Freight tool. A lot of people say it don't work, but it actually works. Once you get the engine supported, then it's just a matter of just taking out 1, 2, 3, 4 subframe bolts. Obviously I didn't have a table for it to come down on, but just went ahead and used this old toolbox. And important note as well, gotta disconnect the motor mounts. Pretty much disconnect the motor from the subframe. And after that, it's just a matter of just lowering it down. And you'll be good. It's not hard, it's pretty easy. Now, gotta take care of this oil pan. Why'd they put a plastic oil pan on a Jeep? Gets by me. All right, guys, have a good day. Blessed.